Hey guys, Dr. Dan here from Freedom Chiropractic. So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple stretches or some foam rolling techniques using a 12-inch foam roller for lower back pain, stiffness, SI joint pain, pain in the hips, even having some of that sciatica issue. So this is going to help loosen up the muscles, it's going to help with some myofascial release. It's going to help loosen up and get rid of some of those trigger points as well. All right, so first thing I want you to do is just sit right on top of the foam roller and put this right over your tailbone and just roll back and forth a few times. Okay, you can even go into the lumbar spine a little bit. Just be careful if this is eliciting any pain. Please stop doing it. Next thing you're going to do is go onto one glute and you're going to roll out that piriformis and all those glute muscles in there. Okay, next, roll over to your side. Put this right above the hip joint and then roll up to the top of the pelvis, back and forth. Obviously do this on both sides. Next, roll onto your stomach and then get the hip flexors. Okay, you can also go all the way down the leg to get the quad. You can do the medial part of the quad, the inside part. Go at a 45-degree angle, do the outside, go all the way onto your side, get that IT band as well. Go all the way down close to the knee from the hip to the knee. Okay, there you go. A couple simple foam rolling stretches to help eliminate that tightness or that pain in the glutes, the SI joints, the lower back, or those hips.